Okay, hi, hey guys. Today we're gonna make mozzarella sticks. So to make mozzarella sticks, you gotta grab your nice chunk of mozzarella. And you just wanna cut it. Now you know why mozzarella is white? It's because white people made them. That's right. You may not know that, but it's true. Now you wanna cut maybe like an inch thick. You want it too thick, like maybe 2 C's at the most, nothing more. Maybe 3 if you want to get extra thick. But you just want to cut them. Now I think that's pretty good right now. Okay. Now you have these thick slices, right? Now you want to cut that. You want to make them in a nice symmetrical area. You just want to cut that in half. You want to cut those in half as well. Now this is going to get really weird, but trust me, we'll see, works every time. Boom. Now you got those nice thick slices. Now let's go back to the next one. I forgot to add, while you're doing all this, you want to preheat your oil. Okay, now you want to grab your 3 eggs and just beat it like you beat your mother. Or if you're the mom, beat it like you beat your kids. You want it nice and tenderized and gooey, just like your kids. Okay, now after you get your anger out of the eggs, you want to put it right there. Then you want to grab your flour, right? Then you want to grab your breadcrumbs, right? Now we get to the good part, the actual mozzarella. So you grab your pieces, you want to put them in your flour first, so it's a nice coat of flour, right? You want to put them in your eggs, can you see that? You want to do that, then you want to put them in your bread to even coat, then you want to put them back in the eggs, right? Depending on how thick you want them. Again, back with the eggs, right? Then I want them extra thick, so I'm going to put them back in the egg, in the yolk, right? Then you want to put them back in this. Okay, your hands are going to be super thick. Then you want to grab a plate. Okay, sorry for the interruption. My grandpa just came in, and I've already made 3, so I forgot what I was saying. So, yeah, you just want to make a lot in this step. Then I'll be back. Okay, hey guys, I'm gonna get in the shot a little bit. Hopefully you don't see me. So now when you get to this point, you want to just, now if you have one of these, this is gonna make your life a lot easier. You just want to put them on here, just like that. Right. Then you want to just put it on there. Okay. Now let's just get one ready. One out. Ooh, look at that cheese. Did you see that? Now let's open this up. Let's crack-a-lackin' and open this one right up. Okay, look at this. You want to grab this and you just want to, boom. Look how cheesy that is. You've seen that. That's super cheesy. Boom. And that's how you make your own cheese sticks, baby. Hope you guys enjoy. See you in the next video.